morning friends. Today we discuss about the electrophilic substitution of aniline. Electrophilic substitution. First, already we discussed about the addition of bromination. Today we discuss about the nitration reaction. In the nitration reaction, what happens in case of the nitration? Nitration, that is addition of NO2, on the aniline compound. When the aniline compound is reacted with the reaction mixture, that is the concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 at 288 Kelvin temperature. If we heat this compound, then the formation of three molecules are formed. One is the orthonitro-aniline, and second one is the metanitro-aniline, and then third is the paranitro-aniline. That is, three products are formed, but the major product is the maximum yield of the product is formed by the at para position. At the para position, the maximum yield is formed. That is 51% paranitro-aniline compound is formed, and the 2% that is metanitro-aniline compound is formed, and the ortho position, that is 47% of the orthonitro-aniline compound is formed. We discuss about the nitration reaction. The nitration reaction, first aniline compound, when reacted with the reaction mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 at 288 Kelvin temperature, then the formation of three products. That is, first one is the orthonitro-aniline, and this is the 47%. Then second one is the metanitro-aniline, but this compound is only 2% is metanitro. This is only 2%, and then third compound is the paranitro-aniline. So there are three types of the three compounds are formed, and this is the 51%. Major product. This is the major product, and this is the minor product. Maximum yield of this compound is paranitro-aniline compound is formed when the aniline is reacted with this with the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. and if we heat this compound at 288 degree Kelvin, that is 288 Kelvin temperature, then the formation of three products, that is one is the ortho nitro aniline, that is nitro group is attached at the ortho position. Here electron density is maximum and NO2 group is the electrophile. This is the electrophile, and then second one product is formed, that is meta nitro compound. Meta nitro compound, this is very less product will form, and the yield of this product is very less, that is 2% meta nitro aniline. This nitro group is attached inside the meta position, and here in this case the nitro group, that is nitro group is attached inside the para position. It means that the electron density is maximum at the maximum if the electron donating group is attached to the benzene ring. Electron density of the compound is more at the ortho position and the para position. That's why this nitro group is attached at the para position. This compound is maximum yield, will get the maximum yield, that is the 51%. So this is the nitration reaction. However, if we want to get the maximum yield at the para position, then we have to protect this amino group. We have to protect the amino group by the acetylation, then the formation of maximum, and if we nitrated this compound, then the maximum, then the formation of the para nitro compound. We will discuss about it. This is the nitration reaction. If we want to get the para nitro aniline, then the first the para nitro aniline will be major group. Then we have to protect the amino group by acetylation. We discuss about this. When the aniline is reacted with the acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine, then the formation of acetylenol, then the formation of acetylenol. If we want to get the para nitro compound, then we have to protect this amino group by acetylation. Then the nitrating mixture, that is this acetanilide is reacted with the mixture of HNO3 and the H2SO4 at 288 Kelvin. Then the formation of para nitro acetanilide. para-nitroacetamide. Then which of hydrolysis it gives? It gives the para-nitroacetamide. Para-nitroacetamide. So this is the major product. Major product is formed at the this nitro group is attached at the para position. So this is the nitration reaction.